Before we start, we need just three things: a brush, a screwdriver, and a rag or duster. That's just it. Then grab your screwdriver and locate the screw pin. Start removing it carefully. This should take around 5 minutes or more, so you don't rush it. Once the screw is out, open it. You will notice lots of dust has built up inside, and that's completely normal. Now let's take your brush and start cleaning out all the dust. Get in every corner. Then follow up with your rag or duster to wipe everything until it's clean.
You know if you command the blade, Abby? You said some of the back still get dust. Yeah, I think a death sentence.
Do one final pass with a brush to make sure nothing is left behind. Take your time here. A thorough clean makes all the differences. Make sure to clean it properly with the brush and the duster or the rag.
Na Kolu brother, because I know. Oh,
And that's all. Make sure to watch the video from beginning to the end. The whole process takes around 5 minutes or more, and your device is going to feel brand new. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe to this channel so you can see another video like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.